All right, we got the Rush of Magic mystery pins that I picked up at the Times Square store. Here are all the options. I really want Pegasus and Pascal, but I think these would be good traders too. All right, let's go. All right, we got bag one. Oh, Jafar. That does look really cool though. All right, let's see what bag two is. Baloo? I think it's Baloo. I got, oh, he's so cute. And these are our two pins. I'm probably gonna try to trade Jafar for one of the ones I said, but it's pretty cool.